Hello guys, I'm Mechanic Bright. I'm gonna show today how to check this code is 1450 unable to bleed vacuum and then O2sensor stock rich. Once the customer brought this 2.7 F150 and then was the engine light on and the customer cleared all code himself. Now it's no activate. I look at the pin data, fuel tank pressure sensor, and then it at idle, and then even if at idle fuel tank pressure is negative -4 kPa and then voltage is 32 volt. That means too much vacuum accumulated inside the fuel tank. That's so much weird, and then does not open canister purge valve. That means purge valve duty cycle 0. Now it's a command purge valve duty cycle. Command is over 10, 15 up to the 50% now. Even if 50% open, it's the same thing at the showing exactly the same thing I showed at the idle spec. It's -4 and 32 volt. Even if I pull open and a 100% purge valve, that means whole open the purge valve is same measurement is showed. Look at that, is 100 open. Now it's back to the 0. Even same -4 kPa and then 32 voltage. That means possibly canister purge valve open stock, allowing excessive fuel vapor into the engine. That's why rich condition engine light and unable to call this present. I'm gonna show easy to check canister purge valve without any scan tool and any special tool. And then all purge valve located top of the engine, 2.735 with all cabin, same. And then disconnect the electric connector at the idle. Once at the idle, and then disconnect the electric solenoid, and then disconnect the source tube from the fuel tank. Once you attach your finger, you guys heard that pong pong sucking sound. That means the solenoid is stuck open. Once the disconnect the electric solenoid, it should block all the way, so nothing any filling vacuum present. Once the stock open, it's a filling from the engine vacuum. It's a sucking the finger and sucking the air. So definitely canister purge valve is the stock open. That's why it's too much vacuum in the fuel tank, and then too much rich condition O2sensor. And then so once the disconnect this one from the charge air cooler tube, bottom of the squeeze, and then lift up the top side of the retainer rocket. You guys see that? Squeeze up and then lift up the top of the retainer clip. This type from the charge air cooler, and then there's a other connector. This one pushed back this green tab, two tab using the two finger, pushed back and then push it and then down, push it back and hold down. You guys see that? Rocking tab is down. Push the back and release, and then down to the rocking tab, and then take that out from the throttle body behind the intake surge tank, and then disconnect the electric connector, and then last one is from the vacuum source tube from the fuel tank. This one is a slightly different rocking tab, and then all of different style. This is 2.7 F150 EcoBoost, and then using the two finger and the bottom of the spread out, and then lift up this tab using the screwdriver or 90-degree angle pick tool. I recommended this 90-degree pick tool. Is much easier to take that out, and then also something stocking with the dust, kind of spraying silicone spray, much easier to get it out. So this one's new canister purge valve. Attach the tube and then push down. That's the rocking it. and then mount the rubber to the rocket, and then back to the electric collector, and then also this throttle body behind the air intake, pushed in rocket. So easy. And the last one from the charge air cooler tube, and then push in rocket. That's all. I replaced this 2.7 and I changed the purge valve. Now I'm gonna show how fuel tank pressure sensor spec is the normal. After replacement of canister purge valve, I'm gonna show what is exactly spec of the fuel tank pressure sensor. And now it's engine running at idle condition. You guys see that pressure sensor FTP fuel tank pressure sensor as pressure is 65 around kPa and voltage 2.65. Fuel level is almost full. You guys see that? Now it's engine running, and at the idle, and the spec is fuel tank pressure is 65 almost kPa, and then voltage is 2.65 volts now. Now I'm gonna command the fuel tank canister purge valve. Now it's 0%. Now it's command up to the 50%. You guys see the how change fuel tank pressure and then fuel tank voltage. Now change up to the 50% open fuel tank purge valve. You guys see that once the open the canister purge valve, and then tank pressure sense to the negative goes down, and also voltage changing. Now more open up to the 100%. That means canister purge valve fully open. Now it's 100%. That means I command 100% open. You guys see that negative -4 kPa and then 0.32. Once the same thing open stock, that means the same this 100% open, the same spec is showing. You guys remember this spec, and then once the shut the valve is canister purge valve, it's 60 around kPa, and then 2.6 voltage is normal at idle. And then once the stock open, and then negative pressure present. And then you guys check the canister purge valve yourself. This one is a 2.7 F150 since the 15. And this one is a 5-liter F150 purge valve. It's just checking the same thing, and then 2 connector wire, and then 2 port connection. It's a 3.5 F150. Thank you for watching.